Hello, welcome to Greyhound Automotive. We have a 2000 F350 5.4 manual transmission dump truck. Has good tires on it. It does have some rust on it. It looks like a stainless steel bed. Fresh oil change. Has cold AC. Does have a salvage title because of water damage. The clutch seems like it's sticking, or the bushing or something inside the clutch or pressure plate. It does stall out when you put it to first and take off. Maybe something is hard to explain. I may have to call me and explain it to you.